Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A52 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. Firstly, go into settings. Now scroll down, tap on biometrics and security, select face recognition and enter your current login method. After that, read the disclaimer, tap on continue and answer the question, do you wear glasses? In my case no, so I will just click continue and stay still. If you want to turn on features, stay on lock screen until swipe, click on the switcher over here until it will turn blue. If you want to turn it off, click again. Lastly, tap on done, and now when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, icons that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!